Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve Spotify can't play this right now. To not fix or solve can't play this right now on Spotify, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Spotify. When you find this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Here in this window you don't click clear data because that can give you a lot of errors or problems on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.